Want to know how to change your AI bot's name in Dola AI? So in this video, if you want to customize your own AI bot's name, or if you want to customize an AI bot's name for easiness, so let's go right into it. So I'm going to explain you how you can do it. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to just open up dola.com on your web browser. Just simply install the application or open up the website. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch. So once everything is done, on the left side you should be seeing chat history. So you can just simply add a new bot or just simply do an existing bot. So in this video I'm just going to go with an existing bot. Now here you can see, once you hover on its name, you can just simply select this edit icon, and once I've done that, you can just simply rename it. So you can simply select save once you're done, and it should be name just like this right here. And that's it. You can do it with other bots as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.